All living things need what we like to call energy. Energy helps all living things carry out many daily tasks. Humans need energy to work out, drive their cars, even tie their shoes. But not only do humans need energy, animals need energy as well. Most humans eat 3 to 4 meals a day to get their energy, while animals like birds eat food to keep them strong to fly high in the sky. But the question is, where do plants get their energy from?
Photosynthesis, a life energy gift from nature. Almost all of life is dependent upon the process of photosynthesis, where the sun's energy transforms water and carbon dioxide into nutritional sugars. Aided by chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants. Plant cells harvest these solar-powered sugars and use them for building blocks and life-sustaining energy. Free life energy from the sun. Life as we know it would not be possible without photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis provides the main input of free energy into the biosphere, and is one of 4 main ways in which radiation is important for plant life. Let's take a look at how photosynthesis and cellular respiration works. The first most important part is the sun. The sun provides light energy that is used by plants. In photosynthesis, photo means light, synthesis means to put together. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using the sunlight. Then there's the chloroplast. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, which is found inside of plant cells. Chloroplasts work to convert light energy from the sun into sugar so that it can be used by the cells. A pigment called chlorophyll gives plants their green color. But let's go even deeper into the plant cells. Plants need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to make their food, which is called glucose. Plants also produce oxygen and yields the chemical formula seen below. When it comes to animal cells, the animal and plant cells use glucose to make ATP. The role of the mitochondria is to produce the energy currency in the animal cells. When ATP is produced through respiration, it regulates cellular metabolism. Cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria for eukaryote cells. During cellular respiration, food such as glucose is broken down into energy. Carbon dioxide and water is released during cellular respiration. ATP supplies fuel for cell activities. After the cellular respiration process is over, the process of photosynthesis starts all over again with light energy from the sun.
What if photosynthesis didn't exist? Would things like plants and trees and the beautiful flowers that we see in spring survive? Would our animals survive or die? What would happen to our ecosystem? Would our world be the same place that it is today, or would it look different?
Often, most of us wait for seasons like spring, summer, and fall, so that we have the opportunity to see the beautiful flowers and leaves on the trees blossom. Even families in Texas wait eagerly for the beautiful bluebonnets to bloom so they can get those amazing summer family portraits. But what if there was no such thing as photosynthesis? There would be no springtime flowers to look forward to. Fall as we know it would no longer exist. Also, let's look at our food chain. Plants are the producers of our food chain. They are relied upon by what we call primary consumers. Primary consumers, in other words, are also known as herbivores. Herbivores use plants as their main source of food. They don't consume meat. In return, carnivores, who are meat-eating animals, rely upon the primary consumers. They get their source of energy from the primary consumers, who get their source of energy from plants. So, in layman's terms, if photosynthesis didn't keep our plants alive, animals would starve or die. Also, let's bring it closer to home. Many of us who are vegan or vegetarian wouldn't have the option to enjoy the many fruits and vegetables that many of us consume daily.
So, to answer our question, do plants need food? Yes, plants need food to survive, just like me and you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our documentary today on photosynthesis.